Hey, all of you Is It Rigged subscribers, I've got an update for you guys. Stick around, let's get started. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Michael here with Is It Rigged? But wait, you must know there's some changes. So to start off with, I did relabel the channel to DIY Solar Energy. But let me stop there and tell you what happened to begin with. So my last video was Power to Spare. I was testing some cells from Mr. Terry, and I had a really bad issue with my computer. I had built an AMD Ryzen 9000 and a Radeon, I'll put it down here, the model. I had a Radeon video card to do my video editing. It was like an 8 gig card, and it shorted out my motherboard and my two brand new monitors. I had two brand new 27-inch curved monitors, and it shorted out the interfaces on all of them. So it took me a while to get everything corrected. Well, in the middle of all that, I realized that as you see right there, the Is It Rigged channel just did not match the solar and DIY and battery and energy. I originally created the Is It Rigged to test products and to see if the products were rigged, but I really got into solar, so I just ran with the name. But in the middle of all this, I created a channel called DIY Solar Energy, which you'll see right here. And I created a whole new channel just for that. Well, and I started putting up a couple of videos after I got the computer all repaired. And I was like, well, I abandoned the 371 subscribers as of today. Well, a buddy of mine called Kev Central, go check him out. He does bike reviews. It's a pretty good channel. He's got over 100,000 subscribers. Great guy. Been one of my best friends since I've been 13 years old. So I don't give my age out on the channel, but I'm not no 16-year-old individual. But so he was like, well, why don't you just rename? Well, we were talking today, which is March 5th, 2021, and we realized that YouTube has now allowed us to change the channel name and the channel URL. So I went in and I was like, well, I can change the name. I can change the URL. So we changed the name. I changed the name. I changed the URL and changed all the branding to DIY Solar Energy. So I want to get caught up, get everything done. I want to go ahead and do the giveaway. I did not reach the subscriber number to give them away, but I'm gonna give them away anyway. I already pulled a random drawing, took all of the individuals that have subscribed to me as of today, 371, unless somebody subscribes or unsubscribed since then, and we're just gonna do a drawing. So did the drawing, and I pulled out some names, and I will give that to you in just a second. I'll also give you the updated information on Power to Spare. I apologize, Mr. Terry. Yeah. Since then, we've had 2 hurricanes down here on the Gulf Coast, and we took a lot of damage down here. So in the process of all of this, let me get on the other side of the bench over here and kind of give you an update. I apologize. You'll see all my cameras all set up here for doing some other shots, some other video editing and stuff I do. And my electronics shop that I run used to run a really big electronics shop. As you'll see, I've got parts bins everywhere. So let's get over there. Let's do the giveaway, get some information going. Okay, as I was saying, I did not reach the subscriber account to give away the 2 Zen flares. But that's okay. I'm going to give them away. I'm going to ship them out to the winners. The random picker was Sean Maker and Pulse Jet. So if you 2 gentlemen or guys or gals will contact me, and I'll reach out to you as well, and we will get these 2 shipped out to you. Congratulations. And I may throw in a couple little other things with them, but I apologize for the delay in not posting any videos for a long time. So as I was saying, I had some issues with the computer. The computer is now rebuilt. AMD actually reached out and replaced the motherboard, processor, all the memory, the video card, and the monitors. But I had to ship a lot of stuff to them for testing. They want to see what happened. So make sure when you buy stuff, buy it new with a warranty. That's all I have to say. So on the channel, I'll be moving some stuff over. I created a channel called DIY Solar Energy. Uploaded a couple of videos, a process of doing some breaker panels and somewhere to put my batteries. So yeah, so you'll see a premiere that's set up, scheduled. It's going to start tomorrow, Saturday, at 10 a.m. That'll be the start of the series. So also with reaching a goal, once I hit 100,000 subscribers, and I want you guys to like, share, and comment. Once I hit 100,000 subscribers on the channel, I've got a big giveaway I'm doing. I'm going to do either, I think it's 272 to 280 amp hours of LiPo 4. It'll be a 16S, 48 volt. We are going to do either a Batrim BMS or a DIY BMS. We are going to probably go ahead and include a inverter, but it would be a Grow Watt brand. I'm not sponsored by nobody. All this is coming out of my pocket. So probably do a 6K low frequency inverter. May depend. I may wind up going with the new style Grow Watts they got that you can daisy chain them together, but it'll be at least a 6 kilowatt inverter Grow Watt brand. I may throw in a shunt breaker, some wiring, solar panels possibly. There's a lot of stuff that that's a possibility that we can throw in. Just depends on how the channel grows over time. Now, there may be in the 30 to 50,000 range of subscribers that I may do another giveaway of something else. But I want to go ahead and mention that to you. All the upcoming videos I will be posting weekly. So as of today, I'll be moving all the videos over from DIY Solar Energy. I think it was only 2. And there'll be weekly videos, if not 2 videos a week, but minimum once a week. And you'll see the progress of me redoing the electrical panel on my house to get ready for going off-grid. I do live in a subdivision, and we are getting ready and or looking for property to build a new house. So that's the downside to where I do live at. But my shop is off-grid, and I can run my house on it now with the panel changed out. So look forward to all of that. But you'll see the whole process of me going from grid to off-grid. Now, I did have a bunch of Model S batteries. I did sell those, so yeah, no need for those. As you see what I have up here, I've got some Navius. I've got 200 amp hours of this that I'm going with. I've got there's the isitrigged logo in the current channel that's been changed over to DIY Solar Energy. I may throw in a couple stickers for Sean and Pulse Jet, but I've been doing a lot behind the scenes. I've got a lot of video footage of to now, but I did a lot of stuff in backwards. You know, a lot of batteries, a lot of building, and all those videos will be coming up. But I want to do it in a series of going off to an off-grid system, to electrical, to storage, to wiring, to everything. And even the storage building, I had an issue with some of the storage buildings that I had purchased. You look forward to those videos that'll be coming up next week, but you'll see the wiring one now. And yeah, any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. And congratulations to Sean Maker and Pulse Jet for winning these 2 Zam flares. Just need to get your shipping address, and I will get those out to you. And I'm hoping you're in the U.S. That's the only downfall. I may ship to Canada, but unfortunately, right now I can only ship these to the U.S. No batteries will be in there, just 2 new chargers. So any questions or comment, leave them down below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get to that 100,000 subscriber count. I'm going to give away some big items. And potentially, depending on where you live at, I will even deliver them and help you set them up. We'll schedule it all out. And yeah, I can't wait for this channel to grow with you guys, show you my life experience of going completely off grid. Yeah. Any questions or comment, again, leave it down below. Thank you guys. Take care. See you on the next one.